Hello and welcome back to Skywind007. On today's episode we're going to be looking at the Monster Bluetooth audio receiver. So this is different than an FM transmitter because this allows you to do something that the FM transmitter will not. This allows you to do the following. It turns traditional wired headphones or speakers into Bluetooth wireless technology compatible devices. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on, but you can still use this as an FM transmitter. For example, if you have an older car that doesn't have Bluetooth, you can pair up your phone to your car with this. And the cool thing about this is that it does have rechargeable battery. So unlike the one that I reviewed previously, this one does have that rechargeable battery, and that's a good thing. This also allows you to use the Hey Siri, Hey Google, or Siri assistant on your phone. I believe Siri is for iPhone and Google for Android, and it has the adapter included. So let's open it up. Let's not talk too much. Let's just open it up. Let me pause. Okay. So this is what you get. And this is how you recharge it. And you can connect this. And to put it in your car, you're going to use this right here. You put it like that. Put it in your car. Okay, so let's charge it up. Okay, so we plug it in right here. And that's how you know that it's charging. And we wait. Okay, so now it's time to pair up this to my phone, and to do that you're gonna have to go to settings and then go to connected devices, Bluetooth cast, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and click on Bluetooth. And now make sure you turn this on. You're gonna turn it on by pressing over here. Press and hold 3 seconds. There we go. When it turns blue like that, it means it's turned on. So now let's say pair new device. And here we go, Monster WBA 9-1008. And we're going to allow contacts and everything. Well, I said, okay, there we go, pair. And now it's connected. It says battery 100%. So let's move on. So that since the battery is 100%, we can no longer worry about charging. So we can just go out into my car, and we're gonna play some music. Okay, folks. So we are inside the car. So we're gonna see how this works. So here's the device. It's already turned on and it's already been paired to the phone. So let's plug it in right there. And let's turn on the ignition. And now let's choose, you have to choose aux. There we go. Aux. Let me turn off the lamp. So it's on aux. And now I already have a song here, so let's see if we can hear it. Let's push play. Okay, so this allows you to pause and play right here. Okay, so that's fine. It works as I expected it to work. So let me completely turn off the music. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be trying is to see if we can talk to it and see if the Google Assistant will be listening to me through this device. So let's start. Let's go to McDonald's. Hey Google, take me to McDonald's.
I found a few options. Which do you want?
I want the McDonald's that's closest to me. Okay, so it's working. Okay, so we are back indoors, and I believe that the main function for this device is not to use it in your car, unless you want to. But I believe that whoever designed this actually meant for this to be used at home with your sound system, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to test that, see what happens. So for that to work, you're going to need something like this. But the problem with this device is that it doesn't have an aux hole. There's nowhere on it. So you won't be able to use it with this. So let me go get another boombox. Okay, so we're gonna try it with this boombox right here, and let's see if it has an aux in. Let's open it up. So here we go. Aux in. So let's power this up. Okay, so let's select CD aux. So here's the awkward thing, because this is going to be on the back now, where you can't see it. So that might be a good thing, might be a bad thing, I don't know. So now let's see if we can play some music. Okay, so here's the big moment. Okay, so that's how that works. So basically you're converting this into a Bluetooth speaker. The only thing that you need to remember is to keep this plugged in with the power cable like this, like that, so it'll never run out. And now you're making a bit of a mess, but that's okay. So there we go, so it's powered up and you have a Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to let you guys know is that I did test this device right here with my headphones right here, and it does work. All you have to do, you go right here and you plug it in like that, And now you can listen to the music through the headphones. And you can also talk to the whatever you want to talk to if you're answering a call. You can do that through this device. Okay, that's the maximum loudness. And this controls the headphones. Okay, so that's the volume goes down. And this controls the speakers. Okay, so that is the end of this review. So overall, I'm very happy with this device. Do I recommend it? Absolutely yes. I would say that mainly for using it with your audio stereo system. Now, if you want to use it in your car, you can. If you want to use it on the headphones, that's also the second function that I have, to use it with this and this. Those are the two main functions, I would say. But you can also use it in your car if you want. And but I do believe that if you want to use it in your car, you should better go with the FM transmitter that I have already reviewed. And because that one doesn't need to be recharged. This one you do have to recharge it. So having it in your car is not a good idea, because the other FM transmitter, which is this one right here, this other FM transmitter, you just plug it into your car, so you don't have to worry about recharging. So that's the cool thing. Now, if you have a car that doesn't have a 12 volt connection, or for some reason it's not working, then this might be a good idea. But in general, I think that most cars do have that 12 volt socket, so this is the best option for somebody that wants to listen to music in your car. But for listening to music at home, this will work. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and see you next time.